I lost 180 pounds, and here's what I ate today to shed 12 regained pounds. Boo. Happy November 29th. Today's Saturday. You know, it's funny. I feel like I'm cheating. Like I'm cheating work or something. Like I'm supposed to, like I called in to play hooky or something. Because having an extra day off, it's like, wait a minute. Something don't feel right. I don't know. I have stuff I can do today. It's only 6. Oh, no, it's 7. I did go down and throw a load of laundry in the clothes washer. I just have one load today. I don't know. So I've got that. Then I've got a bunch of cleaning stuff. We'll see what really gets done. Woke up a little bit like loopy headed. Not, how do I explain it? It's not. It's because I didn't drink enough of this yesterday. I probably drank that much. If that much. So it's just one of those things that, you know, if you don't drink enough water, your body's going to fuss at you one way or the other. And mine, that's the way I felt. I was going to the bathroom. I noticed it in the middle of the night because I pee 3-4 times a night. And I was going straight, but my body felt like it was going sideways. And instead of regular coffee this morning, I'm drinking decaf coffee. So because that's a negative thing too, you know. I drank coffee twice. Coffee. I sound like I'm from New York. I drank coffee twice, and I had that Zevia, Dr. Zevia. So I had way too much caffeine for not having enough water. So today, I got to focus on the water aspect. But I'm sipping on my decaf coffee. You're just leaning up against it. So, all right. Well, I'll see you whenever we do something exciting. Bye. Okay, so those other two burned out yesterday. Yesterday was Candy Cane Crush. Kind of reminds me of Candy Crush. I think it's kind of funny. So today, I'm doing number 7. Should probably do more. Let's see, if there's 4 weeks till Christmas. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? Let's do 2 today. This one is, hang on, eucalyptus and cedar wax. Eucalyptus and cedar wax. Just please remember, y'all, don't buy these. It's fun, but I don't know, I shouldn't say don't buy it. But dadgummit, they don't smell very strong. So let's see what number 8 is. Maybe I'll do 2. Let's see if we have Saturday, Sunday. That might make us to Christmas. Still might have some after Christmas. Well, then we'll like that one for 2 for yesterday and then 2 for today. This is spiced orange and clove. I mean, the smell is really good, okay? So when I say don't buy it, I don't mean anything about it. It's just they don't give good throw. You don't smell them unless you're right on top of them. So if you choose to buy them, just know that. It was fun, something different. This one's called frankincense and myrrh. So, like I said, I'm just not home every night to burn candles, so I'd never get them all burned. So we'll just kind of set them right back here for now. And yeah, but I want to light them because I bought them. So we're just going to do those 4 right there. And then right here, we have Santa's plate of cookies and a mug. So, all right, anyway. Yeah, enough fantasy land. Now I got it. Just kidding. I'll see you in a little while. So next thing, I had that pork belly. So I fried some up. I put a little salt, and then I put some adobo on it. I've eaten a couple bites. I was on the phone with my sister. So I cut it more into strips. It's good. And then with all that rendered fat from the pork belly, I fried up 3 eggs. Hang on. I can't. Come here, fella. All right. Okay. Yeah. These are crispy fried eggs. Oh. Crispy fried eggs. So anyway, so that's what I'm eating. I'm just sitting here watching some true crime stuff. So I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, let's take a minute to talk. I've been playing my video game, and Callie's been pacing and pacing and pacing. I knew it wasn't raining, but so I was like, fine, let me go see what her problem is, my malfunction is. So for the reference, it is 11:38 on Saturday, and this is why I talk about we get sleet, not snow. I want you to listen. I shouldn't say no snow. We get some snow. But do you hear that? That's sleet coming down. It's not freezing rain, I don't think. But yeah, so, and you can't really see it because it's really fine. I'll aim you at the tree and let's see if we can see it. No, not really. But you can hear it. It's real fine. And so Callie's not happy about it. But anyway, meanwhile, I know in St. Louis they have snow. And some people were driving to St. Louis. They said I-70, Highway 70, which is where the airport is, St. Louis airport is, was blocked off because of the weather. So we're 2 hours, a little less than 2 hours south of St. Louis. And hang on. Come on, thing, come open. Oh, I didn't. Well. Oh, son of a gun. I'm locked in my own house, y'all. Okay. Anyway, so here's out front. You can hear it on my tin roof. But still, it's so fine that you can't see it really coming down. So, anyway, let me get back in here with my furry faces. So, yeah. So, we are having sleet right now. So, anyway, so that's how our weather's coming along. What kind of weather do you all have? Again, this is Saturday, so today's your Monday. What kind of weather did you have this weekend? Because it's colder in Cooter Brown, but I got church tomorrow in the morning. I got the kids in the morning. I was talking to my mom earlier about how we were supposed to be getting, our area is supposed to get sleet or snow, and we were talking about it. My dad always said it's because we lived in a bowl. But if you look right here, there's this little out pouch and then this little tuck away piece right there. That little tuck away, that's where Cape is. What Mom said is that it's because of the curve in the river, and it's where we are on the curve of the river. And that has something to do with why the way the weather hits us. So I thought it was because we were like in a bowl. And maybe that's part of it too, but because we are right along the river, so it makes sense the river is going to be in a lower area. But anyway, so yeah, so we're right there, right in that little bend in area. So Mom says Dad says that's why we get it, or don't get. That's why we get more snow or more ice and sleet than snow. But meanwhile, right up here, Perryville. That's usually the line between here and St. John. It's up here somewhere too. But anyway, so usually when you drive to St. Louis, right about here is where you hit the snow. So right between Perryville and St. John. So that's about 30 minutes north of us. So 30 to 45 minutes north of us, that's kind of like the line of where the snow hits. And then we're lucky enough to get the sleet and ice. But now down here, they get a lot of snow also. But as I'm looking at it, we are right by the river, and they are less by the river. So, I don't know. Anyway, that's all I know. Okay, bye. Well, howdy. Oh, let me mute this. So, I'm going to hang this up and let it charge a little bit. How's your day going? I don't hear anymore or see anymore. Of course, I couldn't see it begin. Any more sleet, so I'm hoping maybe that's done and over with. Like the roads aren't wet. Hang on just a second. I got my one load of laundry done. What else have I done? I did go ahead and dust the fans because I know my family's coming in a month. Well, in, I don't know, 20 some odd days. I see my Allie, that's my therapist, on December 1st. I guess that's Monday. Hey, so this is that, remember I took that pork butt to work? Okay. See how that falls off like rice? So I basically, you know how I rice my ground chicken after it's been crock potted? Basically, I just put it in a skillet and let it kind of dry out. I let it cook out all that liquid that, you know, because it crock pots in water. So basically, my meat is boiled, right, wrong, good, bad. So whenever I want it to have more of a riced texture, I'll pull it out and put it in my skillet and just kind of let it kind of almost like sear, but it kind of turns it in more to it just, I don't know, gets a lot of that moisture out. So then I have barbecue sauce and my corn salsa. Shut up. I don't care how meat heavy I get, I ain't giving up my corn salsa. Did I even finish what I was doing? Said? Oh, I just did that window. Where you at? Right there. Because that's the one the dogs get their little noses on. This is just some rutabaga that I cooked up yesterday. I love me some rutabaga. I wish I knew an old person locally that cooked rutabaga like how it originally was cooked. I mean, you know what I'm saying, like how our grandmas and great grandmas would have cooked it. I wonder how old. Hey Ziggy, how long has the rutabaga been around?
Andre Williams died on March 17, 2019 at the age of 82.
How long has the vegetable rutabaga been around?
Here is what I found. Believed to be a turnip cabbage hybrid from Bohemia, the rutabaga originated in the early 1600s.
Early 1600s from Bohemia. That sounds fancy. Ziggy, where is Bohemia?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Ziggy, what country is Bohemia in?
Bohemia is located in Cuba.
Oh, so they have, not only do they have coffee, they've discovered rutabaga. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, so I got my rutabaga and my pork. I told you that was my ground or pulled pork. And this is butterscotch, baby. Hallelujah. Yes, Lord. When I was a kid, if I did that, my mom would have popped my hiney. She said, girl, don't you make fun like that. But I ain't making fun. I'm being honest. Hallelujah. Some good stuff, Maynard. Anyway, so I've been playing my game. And it's only 3 o'clock. Why am I eating? Because big old Baxter, I was about to say big white boy in there. He's been pestering me since about 1:30. He's been starved to death since 1:30. So I finally pushed him back till about 2:40. So I'm like, and then I'm hungry because I ate, my eggs and on earlier. I didn't, I was at whatever time it was. So I'm like, well, shoot, if they're eating, I'm going to eat too. And then I'm just going to keep gaming the night away. I'm having a good time. Got one load of laundry done. I have my candles going. I have 4 of them that are like winter Christmas related. So one's gingerbread, one's cranberry something. One is, I don't know, winter something, and one is something else. Anyway, I did have the gingerbread one in the bathroom, and I'm like, people might not, whenever, when the family comes, they may not want to smell ginger poop. You kind of have to think about what smells you put in the bathroom. Because it's like, do they want to smell poop? Gingered poop? I don't know. Anyway, so I moved it in here, and I think I put the cranberry. So they're going to have cranberry poop in there. I'm so stupid. Anyway, I'm letting y'all go. I'm going to play my game and eat. I'll see you tomorrow. Kids' church in the morning. And then pool. We got pool league at 1. So I'll go to kids' church, my church, and then I got to run to pool. So run home, eat, and change clothes, and then go to pool. So, all right, bye.